Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on wedding dress services and find it useful.
Today, let's discuss Sudsies wedding dress dry cleaning and preservation services. Imagine your precious wedding dress receiving the same level of care and attention it took to create it while cleaning and preserving it for the next generation. Sudsies Dry Cleaners, since 1996, offers a prestigious wedding dress care service designed to ensure your gown remains as breathtaking as the day you first laid eyes on it. Our expert bridal and formal wear artisans hand clean, hand finish, repair, and preserve every delicate detail, from intricate lace to flowing silk, using the gentlest techniques. Whether you need your dress impeccably cleaned before your big day or carefully preserved afterward, we treat your gown like the cherished memory it represents, delivering white glove service tailored to your every need. The process of dry cleaning your wedding dress. 1. Begin your journey with ease. 2. After your special day, simply request a complimentary pickup of your treasured wedding gown, knowing that Sudsies is here to take care of every detail. White glove care from the start. A dedicated Sudsies valet, part of our prestigious Black Label service, will arrive at your home at a time that suits your schedule. They will carefully handle and transport your gown to our local restoration facility, ensuring it's in expert hands from the moment it leaves your site.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.